rainbow. What the? Guys, this is gonna be a good trip.
It goes all the way across.
Wait, the rainbow?
I don't like ever see rainbows like
No, not like a fully. There's
That's crazy.
gold on the other end of it. Should we go look?
But now where's the double one? It's gone.
The double one was over here.
Oh, I
no,
see
it's right
I
there.
still see it, yeah. I don't think the camera's
Maybe yesterday I saw like 8 rainbows.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, but none of them look like that. Like, look at that behind the water tower. What, babe? That is one of the clearest ones I've ever seen.
What do you guys think about the rainbow? It's good. What do you think it means?
It means
Do you think there's gold?
And gold. Okay, we made it to St. Augustine in one piece. It rained a lot on the car ride here. We're finally starting our adventure here with Jake's school for a school trip. First road trip with the kids in the Jeep, and we're at Osprey Tacos. Billy, is it good? We're at the Fountain of Youth in St. Augustine right now. Gonna go check it out. Funny thing, went to Flagler, never been here, lived a street over, never been here. So first time after being graduated for 9 years.
He never has. We're like, okay. Yeah. Let's just meet. What's the big deal? I'm like, no, you don't.
Daddy, really going. Daddy, really?
Whoa, look, there's peacocks in there, Emma. Mm-hmm.
Isn't that cool?
All the way, Jake.
Oh, that is so cool.
Okay, good job. Billy, good job. That's it. Good. Emma, come on. Come on. Is it yummy? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Just one coin. Make a wish. Okay, there's your wish. One, two, wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh no!
Better?
It's good, yeah.
Okay, good. Wait, where's Jake?
If you don't like loud noises, cover your ears. Come on!
It's gonna be loud. Cover your ears.
Full turn. Have a curve. Whoa!
I'm scared
Of what?
of the shoe.
What are they gonna shoot?
Tell you what.
Is it gonna be like that one?
No.
No, it's not.
What are they going to shoot inside it?
They're gonna shoot a cannon.
That wasn't fun.
Now, over the years, smiting gets turned into smithing. Try metalworkers, don't worry about the guy with the gun, he's a terrible shot. I'm firing up the forge. What I'm burning in my forge is years. So I'm burning what they were burning 456 years ago. That's wood charcoal.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
It's alligator.
It's an alligator.
Oh my god.
Alligator skin.
This is the Jake show. It's only Jake. Here's Jake. So how was it?
Good, I guess.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Never mind. What? Wait, what?
Okay, we're going over to the planetarium right now. Should be fun. We've gone through most of Fountain of Youth. Here are my babies.
Nobody pull me my hand.
Oh my gosh, I better hold your hand then. Okay, now run. Okay, now run back. Come back. How was it?
Good.
Was it a good run? Are you
Wait,
having fun?
what?
Wait, come back. Oh, are you okay?
We're up in the tower. We're up in the roof, and there's a little tower right there.
Please feel free to
We're about to go to it. Round trip.
Jake's,
What?
he's vlogging. Tell us about how it is.
Good. Downstairs there was
guys,
a
be
gift shop,
careful up here.
so we got some
Is it
stuff.
creepy a little bit?
Yeah, it was a little bit creepy. The gift shop wasn't, but we went in the jail, but that was creepy. Yeah. So yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Where are we at, you guys?
But it's a tower now.
What is this, babe?
This is
Jake.
they could stand up there
Okay.
and then have a good view of everything going
But
on.
what was this for?
So what they would do is they would put wooden stairs in. The wooden stairs would go up in a circle to that flat platform up there.
Oh, I see. So this is
Yeah.
just like a little area that they went
But you
up
can
in.
see that because the walls are made, look, see here, right here? This is coquina shell. So this is all just shells, right? And then right there. Cool.
That looks like a candy you can pull. Cannon, Jake. That's a cannon, Jake. I have a cannon.
The cannon, the duck, or a gun?
Cannon.
Yep, so circle the cannon.
Yeah, probably this one.
That was very good.
Can you guys show me your badges? Show me your badges. Smile. Good job. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Let's go.
What'd you get, Jay?
Here, bud.
No, I need tissue.
No.
I have wipes in my bag, but just finish eating before you tissue your face.
Which is just a shame.
Mommy, what?
I think it's a hot sauce.
You want me to run? Is that what you wanted? Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. Do you like them?
Just feels weird. It's weird.
Give me your good buddy Skips. Whoa, whoa. Look at them skips. Babe, do you see his skips? Been out of that right now. We've been seeing the elf the whole time since we've been in St. Augustine. Now Santa's here.
Santa!
That's not real.
How do you know it's not real?
Santa!
There he is, there's Santa. Going through downtown St. Augie.
What the heck, you guys?
We're here on the scene in St. Augustine, Nights of Lights, with Jake Miller, interviewing him about his time on the street.
Oh.
How is it?
No.
Tell us about the Nights of Lights.
No, I don't know. I haven't been there yet.
And what do you think when you get there?
Dada! Daddy! Hi, what's my fan?
You look like you're gonna puke.
Okay, let's go.
Why? I don't know, because my...
It's the interview. It's because he was being interviewed.
Now I feel like I need my job. I think I'm good though. I'm good right now.
Fill up. Billy. Look at mommy. What do you think?
Good. It's the best steak ever bought. But have a little fan. Please. Mama, I want that. Yep, about the cannon.
I want to see what this looks like later on. If I do this. Did you get up there all on your own? You're a big boy?
In the nighttime, I don't know what that.
Yeah? Tell us about it.
Where was the Sunkel boy might go boating?
Oh, okay, let's go. Come on.
It's midnight now. That means
Is that what that means?
that means it's 12 o'clock at night.
What?
The sky needs to be more darker. It's
Be darker?
midnight.
It needs to be midnight.
Why is it going?
I think it means shift.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
What are you getting for breakfast?
And I'm also talking about them.
Jake, turn on the game for Billy. Billy.
What do you think we're gonna do today? What do you want to do today?
I want to. I want to. With my dad's friends.
We're gonna meet him?
I'm gonna meet him at his house.
No, meet him at a restaurant. What was your favorite thing we did on the trip?
Probably the Pirate Museum. Everything was his favorite. I hated. I didn't like anything.
Was everything too scary? What about
Meeting my friends.
oh, seeing Everly?
Yeah, and there was the
Stella?
yeah.
That's Axel's sister.
This is what we ate. There was bagels too. And we are back in the car now. We are going to go somewhere where I have no idea where we're going. And so, Anna's just playing a tablet. Philip's just drinking his drink. Now I'm just sitting here filming.
First drive on the beach with the Jeep. Me and my Melly and the kids. Porpoise Point, what a good place to initiate the Jeep on the beach. Beautiful out, check it out. No, don't let the unit torn out. Oh my god.
Get off the switch right now.
This way.
Mike, you mean? Huh? No, he lives on St. Augustine, right?
Jacksonville.
Oh, I mean.
Where is my live at?
I meant to say Jacksonville.
Dad, what does my live at?
Jacksonville. This is Daddy's school though. Philly, do you like it? Should we show them the middle real quick? Let me just go up the stairs and take a picture.
Hello!
No, you want to see what it looks like inside school?
You guys want to go to school?
This is Daddy's school. Oh, it's weird with the doors happening. Okay, this is where Daddy goes to school.
Other people teaching and stuff here.
What do you think, Emma? Should we look at the Christmas tree? Come over this way, guys. Come over this way. Yeah. What do you think, Emma?
But there's an
Now
angel.
he knows things. You like it, Jake? Yeah. Okay, you want to see one more cool spot? Mm-hmm. Come out here. Look how cool this is out here. What do you guys think?
I think it's really cool.
Should we go back and go first to the podium?
This is a different state.
Come on, guys, we're going the other way.
You guys, this is a different state.
No, does it feel like a different state?
Are we in
Okay, you want to see the froggies and turtles real quick?
Yeah, we are in Florida.
We're in Florida. This is where Daddy went to school. Do you like that? Oh!
Is that really wet? He spit water at me. Yeah, my dog. You have to change.
No.
Daddy, I like your soul. It looks like a castle.
Yeah, you like that I went to school here?
Yeah, it looks like a castle.
It is a castle.
Wow. What did you teach? What did you teach us?
What did I learn here?
Yeah.
I learned about communications. Philly?
Like a bike.
Philly, was that a big hop?
Yeah, it sounds like a brake on a bike. When you slow down really fast.
Yeah. Oh, my girls. Oh, Emma, are you hungry too?
Yeah. Daddy was in there. Behind you.
I know, I've been here before. Is it good?
It's like really
Jake, is it good? Jake says no.
sour.
Philly, when my kids are, you gonna sing a new song?
Is it good?
The program has a lot of veggies, rice and quinoa, and a arugula. Cheese has a lot of veggies on it, so this is Mediterranean. And then,
What's up, Bugs? How you guys doing?
Hi there.
Hey,
yeah,
it's a pleasure to finally
I
meet you.
know, finally.
Great to see you.
and then the cornbread gets
So how's everybody doing?
Doing good.
And that's it for now. Bye. Bye.